Standard 10th results are out. Celebration, absolutely. But wait, the big question is now staring at you like a nosy auntie at a wedding. Beta, ab kya karega? Science lega na? Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm Satya and today we are tackling one of the most important decisions of your student life, choosing the right stream after class 10. Science, commerce, humanities, or full-on panic mode. Let's be real. In India, this decision feels like choosing your Hogwarts house, except instead of a magical hat, you have got relatives, neighbors, and a whole bunch of confusion whispering in your ear. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of which stream suits you based on 4 solid pillars: aptitude, interest, personality, and orientation. So let's dive in. First things first, let's debunk some myths. Only toppers take science. Commerce is plan B for science rejects. Humanities, that's for people who don't have scope. Guys, stop right there. These are outdated stereotypes. Today, all 3 streams have excellent career paths, provided you choose the one that fits you. Let's take some time to understand the 3 streams. Let's start with science. If you love subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, or math, this could be your jam. Think engineering, medicine, data science, forensics, basically solving the world's problems with brains and labs. Commerce, more into business numbers, and economics. Welcome to the world of accountancy, business studies, and finance. CA, CS, MBA, entrepreneurship. Commerce opens a wide array of money-smart options. And now, humanities. Do you find joy in reading, writing, analyzing human behavior, or debating politics? Humanities might be your thing. It leads to careers in law, journalism, psychology, civil services, teaching, and more. So here's a 4-step guide to help you make that choice. Step 1. Know your aptitude. Ask yourself, where do you naturally perform well? Are you a math wizard or a storytelling pro? Reviewing your scores in class 10 subjects can be a good starting point. Step 2. What fuels your passion? Interest keeps the engine running. Even if you have the aptitude, if you find physics more boring than a family WhatsApp group, maybe science isn't your soulmate. Step 3. Know your personality. Are you analytical, creative, practical, expressive? Your career should match you. For example, an introverted person might struggle in a career that needs constant people skills. And step 4, your orientation. Think long term. What careers excite you? If you dream of launching a startup, commerce might help. If you're passionate about mental health, maybe psychology in humanities is your path. So now, talk it out. Talk to your teachers, career counselors, and yes, even your parents. But remember, this is your journey. Don't let anyone else hold the steering wheel of your life. It's time to visit the pros and cons of each choice. Again, starting with science. The pros: diverse options, prestigious careers, good pay. But the cons: heavy workload, long study hours. For commerce, the pros: this is practical, financially rewarding, professional degrees. But the cons: it can be competitive, sometimes monotonous. And humanities, pros are flexibility, creativity, and social relevance. But the cons: it's still fighting with old stereotypes. So remember, there is no perfect stream, just the one that's perfect for you. Life isn't a race, it's a road trip. Some of us want to drive Teslas, some want bikes, some prefer walking while humming songs. Your stream is just the starting point. So trust yourself. Choose a path that excites you, challenges you, and reflects who you are, not who the world wants you to be. You don't need to be the best in the stream. You need to be the best version of you in the stream that you select. So if this video helped clear your doubts, drop a like, share it with your friends, and smash that subscribe button. And hey, drop a comment. Tell me which stream you are thinking of taking and why. I'd love to know that.